The process of animation. The monkey in the animation was based off a stuffy of mine in real life. Here I am just doing the base sketch. I really love this one because of all the colors, and also because there is a monkey. Monkeys are my favorite animal BTW. Here I was starting to figure out how I would animate the bubble gum in his mouth. I think I did okay with it. It obviously won't be perfect, because I just started animating in the summer, and I definitely have not been practicing. I think I did well with animating the coconut, though. It starts kind of going downhill once the monkey's arms are down. I was not very proud of that part. It also took me a while to figure out how to put the gum on the monkey's face. IDKY. It just did. But overall, this was really fun to animate, and one of my favorites. Can we just take a second to realize the real star here?